some chickens. You're hungry chickens. There. That's good. Come here, chicken dogs. Which one of you is a chicken dog? You are. You grew up with chickens. And you like those chickens. I just feel all wiped out. My head.
Baby, go grab me a half-inch wrench.
Grab you a what?
Half-inch wrench.
Half-inch wrench?
Yeah.
Well, where will I find?
Like the fourth door down, maybe?
Fourth drawer down on the next to the door. Well, there's some wrenches here.
Yep, give me the half-inch.
Well, these are in millimeters.
Okay, well, next door down.
Okay.
Half-inch wrench.
Ah, snap-on.
Don't bring me no mate and
The
chicken
best.
crap.
It's snap-on.
You got it?
Yeah, well, I have to come around and hand it. Then I'm getting out of here before I get conscripted into doing anything
That's
more.
not the one I wanted.
It's not?
No. The one. It's half-inch.
But what? It's not a wrench?
It's a wrench, but not the one I
Well,
wanted.
how can I know then which one you want?
Baby, come on now. Am I working on brake lines?
Is this for brakes only?
Aren't you haven't been handling his tools?
No. I'll put it right back at least.
Yeah, put it back where it went.
Then what?
It's like Dan does when he comes over here. Just
Here's a, oh, that's 1.5 inch.
It's got an open and a box end.
An open and a boxed end.
Yes, ma'am.
Then that might be this.
Oh my gosh.
Like-
It's not on the ring. It's in a red box.
In a red box.
Like a red tray.
Okay, yeah, it's further back.
It's like silverware.
Yeah, it's back here.
It would be like a fork and a spoon.
It's kind of what it looks like.
Yep, a fork and
But
a spoon.
1/2 inch here.
Oh,
1/2 inch.
you got it?
And it says snap on too. Okay, here we go. Kobe, get out of the way. Okay, now I don't know what's the big. Ah! Get those greasy hands off of me.
Yep, she got it right.
See how much work that was?
Thank you, baby.
Jim could have just gotten it just like that.
Yeah, but I didn't really need it. I just wanted to see if you find it.
I didn't know where it was either, Alice.
Yeah, but you know what kind to get.
Somebody had to keep it busy.
So another day here thrashing on the AMX, getting ready for the Speed Festival. One of the problems has been the actual shifter mechanism, which we haven't diagnosed in the way of the exact part or component.
Let's get them all. Let me see.
So we have a spare transmission and a couple shift boxes here. So we're trying to do a bench test on a couple of the spare shifters that you see here and see how this shifter mechanism feels. So there's no chance of going across a couple gates and getting the wrong gear and damaging the engine. How's that one feel? That feels good, doesn't it?
It's just natural. First is push, reverse is...
Yeah. I think you got a good shifter here.
I got 2 good shifters.
Oh, that's excellent. So is this something that we can install now?
I don't know, we're gonna find out.
There went your muffler bearing.
There you go. You like my homemade exhaust? Problem is, I made it all on my back, you know?
Yeah. Well, did you just tack it up and bring it out and then mold it?
Yeah.
Clear? Clear. Feels like a new car.
It does. Hey dude, that fixed the starting problem too.
Yeah, I noticed you just go right in from one gear to another. He loves test drives. He can get all his good feedback. He collects data.
See there,
He
mine's
collects
first
data from
easy.
like huh?
Mine's first easy now.
Yeah.
That's fishing, Dan. It ain't always catching. Sometimes it's just
Look
fishing.
at that. Hey.
Don't give it to her. It's yours. Take it. That rope is yours. So she outweighs you by 30 pounds.